What's up,
I had a
YouTube?
7-7 one though. Big body. Yeah, but I showed it to my partner.
I'm sitting here chilling with two
Yeah, I
OGs.
backed up with the smile.
Got my kinfolk,
So what you
OG
think?
Flim back here. And then I got the original OG slab rider, Uncle Mike. Now, for those of y'all that don't know, my Uncle Mike back here, he just did an interview with Slab OG TV. Come to find out, and this gave me chills. Come to find out, man, Uncle Mike is the first person in Houston to boat elbows up on a vehicle other than what they came on. So when we did our homework, and come to find out, Uncle Mike is the first person to boat those wheels up on some other than. And all this slab culture stuff that we got going on right now is because of this man back here. Those wheels came original, and only, not trying to sound racist or nothing like that, but back in them days, only the white folks had them. They came factory on cars. And my uncle, where you go on there, you'll see the story. But my uncle, he started getting those wheels from the white folks and bringing them to the hood, and he put them on his truck, and other people started seeing it, and the trend went on and on and on, all the way up until now. And yeah, man, y'all go on Slab OG TV. Or is it OG? Yeah, it's Slab OG TV. I keep wanting to say OG Slab. Or is it OG Slab TV?
Slab OG.
Yeah, Slab OG TV. I keep getting it mixed up. But yeah, Slab OG TV, y'all go on there. Check out my Uncle Mike's story, man. If you really into this car stuff, bro, how far it and came from the time this man first took a pair of elbows and bolted them up on something other than what they came on, it started a whole trend. And every time I watch that video, man, it give me chills to know that I'm hanging with the man that really damn near started this whole trend. And that's crazy. And he used to tell it to me. He used to be like, nephew, one day you gonna hear my story. I'm gonna be able to tell my story, me and my partners. And he used to always tell me that, and come to find out, it's him. This man right here is the cause of all this slab shit, the paint, the interior, how far it went. Is because of this man right here. He started it way back in the 80s. So y'all go on Slab OG TV, man. Check out my Uncle Mike's story, man. Uh we putting him something together too. We gonna have some footage and all that coming up. We gotta put the OG back on Slab, y'all. But yeah, man, y'all go check out that video, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna give you chills to know that we finally found out who was the first person in Houston to really boat up elbows, other than what they came on and started this trend, which is fucking crazy, man. It's crazy, y'all. But yeah, Slab OG TV, man. Y'all go on my boy Lil WB page, man. Check out my Uncle Mike interview. If you ain't seen it, I got a few interviews on there. He got a lot of other interviews just about the culture, man. Y'all check that out. I'll let y'all later.